Professor, could you please explain what rapport, probing, and projective method are in personal interviews?
Certainly. In today's class, I will explain the techniques used in personal interviews. There are rapport, probing, and projective method used in personal interviews. Rapport refers to an interview technique where the interviewer engages the candidate by asking about topics such as weather, hobbies, or humor to alleviate tension and create a relaxed atmosphere. It aims to build familiarity and mutual trust. Rapport originates from French, which means building a bridge, and is particularly important in fields that require cooperation, empathy, and building a supportive relationship, such as counseling, therapy, or education. Probing, on the other hand, is a technique used when the respondent's answer is unclear. It involves asking additional questions for specific information or clarification, commonly known as follow-up questions. For example, if the question is about the theme of a recently read book and the answer is unclear, the interviewer may ask, "What feelings did you have while reading the book?" In essence, probing involves repeating the respondent's words, demanding detailed responses, nodding in agreement, naturally inducing specific answers, or asking related questions to elicit additional explanations. Projective methods aim to obtain sincere responses by indirectly stimulating the respondent to freely project their thoughts, without directly questioning them on a specific topic. There are 6 types of projective method. Word association is a way to present a specific word and write down or say the associated content that comes to mind. For example, when the interviewer asks a question, such as "Look at the following words and write the first word that comes to mind," it prompts the respondent to list associated words in sequence based on the presented words. Sentence completion involves presenting an incomplete sentence and asking the respondent to complete it. For example, when the interviewer asks a question, such as "I like something the most," the respondent finishes the given sentence. Picture description involves presenting a picture and asking the respondent to answer questions related to it. For example, when the interviewer asks a question, such as "Look at the following picture and answer the questions," the respondent describes what the picture depicts. Cartoon completion involves assigning a task while presenting various cartoons and arranging them in a meaningful order, or completing an unfinished cartoon. For example, when the interviewer asks a question, such as "Look at the following cartoon and complete the cartoon," the respondent answers them. Role behavior involves presenting a situation and asking the respondent to answer questions related to it. For example, when the interviewer asks a question, such as "Look at the following situation and answer the questions," the respondent responds according to their own interpretation of the given situation. Story completion involves presenting a story and asking the respondent to complete the rest of the story. For example, when the interviewer asks a question, such as "Read the next story and complete the rest of the story," the respondent answers questions related to the story.
Professor, today's explanation on the techniques used in personal interviews was intriguing. Thank you very much.